How do you know if TikTok is for you? A lot of people ask me this question, so I decided to make this short video which covers some essentials which will help you know if you can use TikTok for building your brand. Hello, this is Neena Dayal. I'll be sharing my insights, tips, tricks, and hacks for building better brand visibility on various social media platforms. So, subscribe to the channel if you still haven't done it and set the bell notification to all so that you don't miss out on anything. TikTok is essentially a platform for short videos which are aimed at fun and entertainment. The first thing to see if you want to build a brand on TikTok is if your product or service can be presented in a fun and entertaining manner. For instance, if you are in the business of selling medical equipments, which are very serious products, it will probably take unusual creativity to present them in a fun and entertaining way through short videos. And even if you figure out a way, I don't think it will work to enhance your brand image as it may hurt the sensibilities of your consumers who will obviously be in great distress if they ever happen to use your products. This is not to say that serious products or services cannot be sold through TikTok. If you are in the business of selling insurance or mutual funds or some other financial products, which are also serious products, you can still figure out a way of making short, fun, entertaining videos for your brand presence on TikTok. It will take some creativity, but it can still be done with considerable enhancement of your brand image. I recently interviewed Matt State, who is UK's top TikTok expert. Matt specializes in martial arts and has built great brand visibility for his brand of martial arts training on TikTok. That's a serious profession, but he has created lots of fun and entertaining videos to present himself and his brand. Watch the replay of my live streaming Success Synergy show with Matt State. I'll link it up here. You should watch it. If you're in the business of garments or accessories, by all means, make lots of short, entertaining video stories to present your products on TikTok. So, the idea is to consider the nature of your products and services before you start using TikTok for building your brand visibility. Then, another thing you need to see is the age bracket of your target audience. If the age bracket of your target audience is less than 35 years, you can very well target them through TikTok because most of the content consumers on TikTok are below the age of 35 years. You also need to consider your own personality and temperament. TikTok requires a lot of consistent hard work for brand visibility, just as any other social media. So, you need to ask yourself whether you are interested in making short, fun, and entertaining videos consistently. If the answer is yes, then by all means use TikTok for building your brand visibility. You also need to check if TikTok is legal in your country. Some countries ban certain social media platforms, so it's necessary that you check the legal issues depending upon your location, wherever in the world you are based. If building your brand visibility on social media is important for you, I'll be sharing lots of growth hacks here. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any information. Keep moving forward.